fix Telegram, this phone number is a banned, or how to recover a banned phone number. Now, we cannot be 100% sure that you can recover your banned account, but we can at least give it a try. First, you open up your browser and just type in Telegram support. So go ahead and then type in Telegram, because we are trying to contact the support team. Now, they also have their own email address, which is recover@telegram.org. But when you type in Telegram support, the first link you'll find from Telegram is a support link. So you can simply go to that particular link right there. Now, here you have to simply describe your issue in a polite manner. Maybe now Telegram only bans for if you have received too many reports on your account, or if you've conducted some kind of malicious activity that Telegram does not allow by default. So, but if you think that you did not actually violate their terms and guidelines, and then you're 100% sure, then you can try to apply in the support team. So just describe the problem as to why your account has been banned, and you have no valid explanations. Be very polite, because the support might not like it and might not recover your account for you. You can type in the full legal name, the email address, the Telegram account phone number under which it was associated with, then tap on submit. Now keep in mind that this may not work for all of you, just depending upon how valid your explanation is. So you have to try to be as valid as possible. If it works for you, that's perfectly fine. But I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.